Hello and welcome back to my video about PHP basic syntax. In this video I will show how you can escape your HTML character and other words in your PHP code. It's very simple, but it's very good to learn. As new to PHP, it could be very frustrating to hit this bug if you don't know what's happening. So let's begin here to say we want to HTML document, and then we have a body. I really don't touch the right keys right now. And then inside we have the p tag, and we can say again hello world, and we can go back for our browser to be sure this is working, and it's due, so that's great. So let's say we have one more down here. We say I'm from Denmark, and you need to type this in PHP. You will probably do something like this: PHP echo, and going back here and do it this way. Already now you can see the editor, it's giving the error, but let's showing in the browser. So in my case it's basically just broken. I don't get any kind of error. So if you have this problem with you, I will recommend you to enable errors in PHP on your web server. If you use Nginx or Apache, just enable PHP display errors so you don't work in the black box. But I know what the error is here, so I'm going back. I can see it's this one. And how you're escaping it, it's using the backslash. When you use the backslash, it's meaning you escape something. It could be in your HTML code. It could be when you type something static and you need to put it out to a screen. So let's run it again, and it should be here, and it's perfect here. Let's try to build some HTML code in PHP so you can see what I mean. Because when you echo out, you can use both single pling and double pling. I can show you here. You can say echo, and you can use double here. And I want to say div tag, and we have a div tag here, and it could be try with the double pling, and I can say style, and you can see now already it's a mistake because we need to escape it. If you see that fast, you can see it's trying to use the single plings. And in HTML I really love to use double plings, so if you desire to use double pling in your echo, I will recommend you to escape this, else it won't work. The easy way will just to use the single pling up here, but for now we use it double pling, so I'll go back here and I can say background red, and let's say height 30 pixels and line height 30 pixels. And already now we have this CSS in the HTML combined in PHP. So that will look like this. No, it will not. So we have a mistake in our code, and it's my spelling here. We can try again, and we have the red here. And that's how we're working with escaping in PHP. I will recommend you to use single plings and then use double plings in your HTML. That's very easy. And if you're coming for JavaScript, in JavaScript you use single plings, so then here you want to escape. So that's about basic syntax and PHP escaping characters. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you want to subscribe. Press the link below, and if you have any questions, put them to the comments field so I can try to answer them for you. And of course I hope you want to add this video to your playlist, and I hope you want to share it with your friends. Thank you, and see you next time, and thank you for subscribing.